everybody, it's Dawn. I have not made a video in a really long time. I don't even know how long, maybe a month, a couple weeks, I don't know. It's Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. Thank you to everyone who has served, is serving. I was married to a vet, and he's up with Jesus now, so today is it's always a harder day, you know. It's been 7 years since he passed, but it's still hard. Anyway, enough of that. I got my Natalie Attired box actually like 2 days ago, and this is my second one. I loved my first one. I didn't keep everything. It just didn't need everything, and everything wasn't, I thought some of it was kind of for fall, but I sure would have kept it if I was like won the lotto and you could keep everything. But I ordered, you know, I wanted another one right away, and I got my, I love the way they handwrite their little notes. She says, "Hi Dawn, as a busy mom, I chose pieces for you that are soft, comfy, and easy to wear. The red shorts are the same style as the gray ones that I know you like." She sent me gray Bermuda Jags, and I'm actually wearing them right now. Sorry about my nose is running. Allergies. I really like them, and she sent me another pair in a different color, so I'm excited about that. These tops will also look cute with your gray shorts and a denim pair that I know you already have. So isn't that cool? The denim pair didn't come from these guys, but she knows by looking at my social media what I have gotten from other people, and she's trying to match those things, so I think that's awesome. P.S. I loved watching your YouTube video. That is so super awesome. Enjoy, Renee. So you have, it's a $20 styling fee, and that will come off anything I might want to buy. And you have 3 days of receiving your collection, then you sign back into your account and check out. So I need to do that like today or tomorrow. So I have not looked. The other thing about them, there's, you know, some of the styling companies like Dia or Stitch Fix, you can preview, you can kind of peek what's coming your way. You can't do that with these guys, and that's kind of cool. I can see, you know, written descriptions, but I have no idea what it looks like, the thing that is coming. And then look, there's a box in there with a pink ribbon. Let's see what that is, because I don't think that they had any accessories down on my things that they had sent. Celebrate you. Follow your bliss. I love that. Enjoy your gift, the Natalie Attired team. So this is a little extra gift. I think I saw Kelly, you got one of these, didn't you? Something like it. That is so sweet of them. Very nice. I love bracelets. Okay, here we go. Cute little flower stickers that they have. Oh, you know what? I love the way when they package their things, like that's 2 pieces there together, but they have arranged it together, so showing you what they think, how it would look good. You know, wear these 2 pieces together. They think this would look nice, so I like that. The brand is Hummingbird. So underneath we have, oh, it's Yeah, hummingbird. Gold is the color they call it. Round neck, short sleeve, not detail top. Look at that in the front. That's cool. I like that. It you know, it looks like kind of basic, but then you got this cute little pop of fun in the front. And my cat just jumped in the box, so can't put the clothes back in there. And then this is also by Hummingbird, and it looks like it's a kimono. Blue and white, or cream colored. See that print? It's all of that print, and then lining the down the front, you know, of both sides is this almost kind of like a Native American print, huh? Tribal print. That's cool. And then this, what is this? Skies Are Blue. I'm wearing a Skies Are Blue top. I think this came from Stitch Fix, but I really like it. Skies Are Blue. Jade is the color. Elbow sleeve ruffle top. Oh. I don't know about this. I mean, it's cute, but I don't know if it's... Yeah, there's the sleeve. Got a little ruffle. And then... It's like a shorter top, and then there's a ruffle at the hem. I don't know if that's going to be a good look for me, to be accentuating, you know, that part of me. And then the back is all like this eyelet lace. That's pretty. Well, we'll try it and see. You never know. Plaid. I'm not generally a plaid, but this is interesting. This is also Skies Are Blue. Short sleeve plaid top in denim. And these sizes are all that, they're like 1X to 3X. They vary greatly for some reason, so she must know how they run. Oh, this is kind of cute. Short sleeves, and then we got some more little knot detail in the front. My husband just texted me. Okay. That's kind of cute. Ah, and look at these. More shorts, the Jag, and the color is poppy. Yes, the Ainsley Bermuda short. Color is poppy, size 22W. I like it. It looks really red on the camera, but a little deeper red in person. Exactly the same as the ones I'm wearing, so I know I'll like them and I know they'll fit. We'll see how they go with the other things she sent me. I wonder if that'll go with. Again, it doesn't look that red in person, the shorts. It's more matching the red in the blouse, so those might look cute together. Plus, she said that would go good with some of the denim things I already have, so we'll try that too. All right, so I'll try things on. Look at my hair is a wreck. Oh well. I put some lipstick on for you guys today. I didn't want to scare you. So, and I'm doing my own filming. Are you proud? And I'm wearing my necklace that my mama gave me on Mother's Day. It says, my little girl yesterday, my friend today, my daughter forever. With my birthstone. I cried when I opened it. So sweet. I'll treasure that forever. She's going to be 79 on Friday. She's a sweetie. Okay, I'll be back with try on. See ya. Okay. This is Skies Are Blue. I like the color. Be honest and tell me what you think about this. It's not as bad as I was thinking it would look. And maybe I wouldn't wear it with these shorts, but still, ugh. I think I need things in my bra. This is not a good bra. This is just a bra running around the house. Like the back detail, the nice eyelet. I like that. Yeah. Oh, sorry. My mom would be yelling at me to get my bra up. But it's my day off, man. I don't like wearing bras anyway, so I don't know. Tell me what you think. Is this me or not me? One more outfit. Okay. And I put on a different bra. My hair is going up my nose. This is a sports bra, so I wouldn't wear it with this, but all right. I just don't think these peplum skirt shirts are flattering. What do you think, Izzy?
Maybe if it was a different color.
Different color? Yeah. Yeah.
If it was like red or like pink, it would.
Okay, you guys. My first shirt is this gold one. Skies are blue with the knot. Now, I don't like yellow or gold on me, so tell me what you think. I used to have it marked as don't send me anything in this color, but then I took that off of everything, so they could just send me whatever, and maybe it looks good on me now. I don't know, but I still don't think so. Anyway, here's the knot detail. These are the gray jag shorts from my last box that I really like. Is this not flattering, right? And I'll put that kimono on because they had these wrapped together. I haven't been digging kimonos either. What do you think, Kara?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's my daughter. She's 17 and beautiful. I don't like this. I just don't feel like it's a good look. And it seems really long. I don't know.
I like it.
Kara likes it.
It's nice.
It's nice. Maybe with a different top. I don't like this color.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
I love you. Mwah. She's going out to study with her friend. She's a good girl. Good grades. Gonna go to college pretty soon. Okay. I will go try on a different one. Be right back. I put the mustard, right? Because mustard is very popular. Okay, now you can see it, the different pants. Tell me what you think. Okay, it matches better. It's just not the shirt for these shorts. Because then it shows all my beautiful, I don't know. What do you think about this shirt on me? At first I liked it when I put it on more than I thought I would. But now I don't know. I don't know. Let me know. Okay, thank you. I'll be back. Okay, I tried this shirt on with my denim shorts. I don't know. You like it? Isabel likes it. My other daughter. I'm gonna go try on the blue shirt with this. See. Okay, second top. Well, third top. Not good. But not with these shorts. I don't even know if these are a good color for me. Red. But the shirt looks really good with the gray shorts that I just had on. I'm gonna go put those on. It's a quick little, I tried on my bracelet and I love it. It says, follow your bliss. Super cute. I really like that. Thank you, Natalie, Attired, and Renee. Very sweet.